So, please excuse me. It's very difficult. I think Amitabh has done all the good work. Let's have some lunch. I thought वो इसके बाद ये बोलेगा कि कितने लोगों ने रंगले बसंती देखे हाथ खड़ा करो. चलो सब लोग जब जादू के जब बंदूक उठा के थैंकफुली उसने बोला नहीं. I disagree with him totally. There is not an act of kindness, it's an act of selfishness. So we both have this agreement and disagreement and agree to disagree with each other. Whatever we are doing is not for kindness. We are doing it, it's a purely selfish motive. The greatest act of selfishness is when a mother gives her life for a child. That is not, will not be kind. Sir, ये थोड़ा इधर कर देंगे, मैं देख नहीं पा रहा हूँ. मैं इधर आ जाता हूँ. So, for me, there is nothing noble in this is education. Education cannot be about books and cannot be about marks and percentages and CBSE and IGCSE and now IG and all that. It has to be about life. And I would never send my daughter to a school. I'd rather she not go to a school than go to a school with an unhygienic toilet. Also my son, forget the daughter. And so, वो बहुत मुश्किल है. And we'll have to change that, and we are changing it. And I'm very happy that we'll do it with the help of this great team, the gentlemen out here, all of you. There's no help also. वो word भी एकदम गलत है. We are helping ourselves. And you are not even adopting a municipal school. It is, you have to do it. You were born for it. So, and you are the selected few and life has chosen you to do it. So, ऐसा हम कोई बड़ा काम नहीं कर रहे, कोई आसान नहीं करने वाले, ये हमें करना ही है. हम एजुकेशनिस्ट हैं, उससे क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है? अपने स्कूल में पढ़ा रहे हैं, साथ वाले में पढ़ा रहे हैं, उसको साफ रख रहे हैं, पूरी सोसाइटी को एजुकेशन कर रहे हैं. Now, when that girl and that boy gets a habit of going to a clean toilet, right from lower KG and LKG and nursery, in life he or she will never compromise. Come what may. As she goes to secondary school, higher school, college, he or she, they will refuse to enter the toilet and they'll change it. So you're not making a toilet or a sanitation, you're actually changing a perception and a mindset of this country, which has gone through this for some 5,000 years. We had this has been embedded to us in the caste system. So you are attacking that at the grassroots level, and that has been, you are changing with the next generation. For them it will be, they will not believe you when you say, ki we never had clean toilets. They will laugh at you. Like when I tell my son right now that we never had mobiles, कहते हैं यार ये फिर बोर कर रहा है अभी. तो ऐसे ही वो हंसेंगे हमारे ऊपर जब ये जनरेशन बड़ी होगी, because cleanliness will become second nature to them, or toilets, let's say that. And the girls will never believe after 25 years that there were no toilets in this country. So I think it's normal. So we have to do it. There's no question, and there's no choice in the matter. So this is what to me education is. For me, education has never been about. I should not be speaking about education, but humble this thing with apologies. And for me, it's about life, and that is the greatest education. And और करना क्या, इतना पढ़ लिख के अगर हमारे बच्चे लड़कियों को हम स्कूल नहीं भेज पाए तो फ़ायदा क्या होगा पढ़ाई लिखाई का, अगर 2-4 हज़ार की नौकरी थोड़ी करेगी।
थैंक यू राकेश जी, आपने अपनी सोच रखी यंगस्टर्स के बारे में, आपने अपनी सोच रखी गर्ल्स हाइजीन के बारे में। लेकिन हम यहाँ आपको ये बता दें कि युवा अनस्टॉपेबल भी यही काम कर रहा है और दी ओपन पेज भी यही सोच रही है। हमारे प्रोग्राम को आगे बढ़ाते हुए मैं रिक्वेस्ट टू हितेश पर प्लीज करें। दी ओपन पेज का हम यहाँ पे राकेश भाई के जरिए लॉन्चिंग करने जा रहे हैं। सो प्लीज राकेश जी आप यहाँ आए, अमित जी आइए और अर्चित भाई आप आइए, जगदीश भाई।
Friends, we are launching the online portal of the Open Page so that everyone and more readers can get into it. What he shared about the washrooms and all, that is one of the thoughts which I just said that dignity of labor should be there. So with this, I would want him to click on the portal. Each and everyone will be given an opportunity to write. You will be sending the articles to us, and the team will then approve it, so that the obscenity is not there because it's a newspaper for the learners and in education. And then with the rights, we will be uploading it, and in a day it will be done twice. One around 10:30 in the morning, and second around 5:30 in the evening. So the updates will be given every twice in a day. And we will be also after this, as soon as we start our Gujarati portal, we will be also having our Gujarati newspaper in place. Right?
Thank you so much, Rakesh ji. The Open Page માત્ર પોર્ટલ લોન્ચ કર્યું એ તો બરોબર છે, પણ હવે નવું શૈક્ષણિક સત્ર પણ હવે શરૂ થવા જઈ રહ્યું છે. હવે અમે એવું એટલે અર્ચિતભાઈ એવું વિચાર્યું છે કે આ ઓપન પેજમાં બાળકો પણ કેમ ભાગીદાર ના થાય, તો એના માટે સ્ટુડન્ટ રિપોર્ટર્સ ક્લબ અમે બનાવી છે અને એનું ઉદ્ઘાટન અમે अलग રીતે કરવા જઈ રહ્યા છીએ. हमारे यहाँ कुछ बच्चे हैं राकेश जी जो आपके साथ आपका इंटरव्यू लेंगे और हम उसी तरह से हमारी ये ओपन पेज की स्टूडेंट रिपोर्टर्स क्लब का इनॉग्रेशन करेंगे आपके जरिए. सो यहाँ पे HV कापड़िया, रूप स्कूल, आनंद निकेतन स्कूल और त्रिपिता स्कूल के बच्चे हैं जो हमारे रिपोर्टर्स क्लब ज्वाइन किया है, तो वो राकेश जी का इंटरव्यू लेंगे. मैं राधिका मेहता, कैरवी नायक, देवांश भदौरिया, येशा परीख और इजरील को बुलाना चाहूँगा. सो प्लीज कम. और राकेश जी आप यहाँ